getting all wet. I'm getting all wet, man.
Blown away. I think it blew away. I got that on video. Catch me whenever I get it, like how you get when you like 5'2". Oh, I got that on video.
Okay, wait, where's your car? Oh, there you are. Oh my god! It's not that bad.
Yeah, it was bad earlier.
Yeah, it was. I think it's just passing through.
Uh-huh.
The Trinio sirens didn't even go off.